Welcome to today's head-to-head comparison where we'll be taking a closer look at two of the most highly anticipated sports cars of 2022, the Audi R8 and the Mercedes-AMG GT R. First up, let's talk about performance. Both of these cars pack a punch, with the Audi R8 boasting a 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers a whopping 602 horsepower. The Mercedes-AMG GT R isn't far behind with its 4.0-liter V8 engine that generates 577 horsepower. But when it comes to fuel efficiency, the Audi R8 takes the lead with an estimated 23 miles per gallon on the highway. The Mercedes-AMG GT R falls slightly behind with an estimated 22 miles per gallon on the highway. Next, let's discuss safety features. The Audi R8 comes equipped with a variety of advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Mercedes-AMG GT R also has a range of safety features including adaptive brake assist and attention assist. When it comes to interior and exterior design, both of these cars are visually stunning. The Audi R8 boasts a sleek and sporty exterior with a spacious and luxurious interior. The Mercedes-AMG GT R has a more aggressive and muscular look with a high-tech and comfortable interior. Now, let's talk about price. The starting price for the Audi R8 is $169,900, while the starting price for the Mercedes-AMG GT R is $157,995. When it comes to maintenance, both of these cars will require regular checkups and oil changes. However, the Audi R8 may have slightly higher maintenance costs due to its more advanced technology. Finally, let's take a look at the speed of taking off and stopping. The Audi R8 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The Mercedes-AMG GT R can also go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 198 miles per hour. So, which of these two sports cars comes out on top? It's a tough call, as both the Audi R8 and the Mercedes-AMG GT R offer impressive performance, fuel efficiency, safety features, and design. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and budget. Thank you for watching today's head-to-head comparison of the 2022 Audi R8 and the 2022 Mercedes-AMG GT R. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful in making your decision on which sports car to purchase.